You're watching How Leap. Let's learn how to accept a collaboration request on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app on your phone and go to your profile by tapping your picture in the bottom right. Tap the menu icon in the top right, which looks like three lines. From the menu that appears, select Settings and Privacy. Now, scroll down and look for the Creator section, then tap on Collaborations. Here you will see any pending collaboration invites. Tap on the specific request you want to review. You will see details about the post and the account that invited you. To accept, simply tap the Accept button. The post will then be shared to both your profile and the collaborator's profile, appearing in both of your feeds. It will also be visible to both of your audiences. If you want to decline the request, you can tap Decline instead. After accepting, you can find the collaborative post on your profile grid. Remember, both you and your collaborator can view insights for the post. This feature is a great way to grow your audience and connect with other creators. For more simple social media tutorials, subscribe to the channel.